In the dark sea of the universe, where stars shimmer like ancient embers, a new eye has opened. A watcher, suspended between Earth and eternity. The James Webb Space Telescope. A machine of light, built by human hands, sent to peer into the birth of time itself. It does not see in color or shape as we do, it sees heat, age, and whispers of ancient fire. And now, it has seen something we never expected. Something so strange, so astonishing, that it has stunned the world of science. A black hole, not hidden deep within the core of a galaxy, but escaping it. Roaming, alone, through the void between stars. Moving at over 4 million miles per hour, faster than anything known. Not destroying, but creating. Behind it trails a luminous wake, a river of starlight stretching 200,000 light-years long. Newborn stars, burning bright, in the wake of this invisible wanderer. A black hole, giving birth to stars. Astronomers were shocked. Nothing in our textbooks predicted this. The telescope Hubble saw the trail. But it was Webb that revealed its nature. It wasn't a glitch. It wasn't an illusion. It was real. A black hole plowing through gas like a cosmic ship through fog, compressing the clouds, igniting fire. Creating stars as it fled its home. A galactic exile, leaving a glowing trail behind it like a brushstroke across the universe. Then came something else. A violent union of galaxies, known as ARP 220. Two spirals crashing into each other, merging into a furious storm of stars. A dance that began hundreds of millions of years ago, now caught in a cosmic embrace. Webb looked closer, deep into the heart of this collision. It saw not chaos, but structure, symmetry rising from disorder. 200 massive star clusters packed into a space no wider than 5,000 light-years. Each cluster, a stellar nursery, birthing new suns in the fires of collision. And beyond them, rings of stars, spinning like wheels of cosmic flame. Faint ribbons of stars stretching outward, tidal tails drawn by gravity. A frozen moment in a billion-year waltz. But Webb's most stunning revelation lay even farther. It looked back to the very edge of time. There, it found ancient galaxies so bright, so vast, they should not exist. Some, as old as 13.5 billion years. Others, as massive as 10 Milky Ways. They were too big. Too luminous. Too early. Galaxies that broke the timeline. Scientists were forced to ask, are our models wrong? These galaxies formed faster than theory allows. They shattered our understanding of cosmic evolution. Were we wrong about the early universe? Was the Big Bang followed by something far stranger than we imagined? Or is there a missing law, a hidden pattern, yet to be uncovered? One discovery became many. Webb found a protocluster, young galaxies bound together by gravity. Still forming, still growing, even in the infancy of the cosmos. They weren't scattered randomly. They were already dancing, orbiting, joining. A seed that would become a galactic supercluster. The cosmic web, weaving itself far earlier than predicted. Each image from Webb is not just a picture, it's a puzzle piece from before time. A question written in starlight. Why is the universe growing faster than we thought? Why are stars forming where they shouldn't? And what else is waiting beyond our... It whispers of a universe more wild and alive than we dreamed. From runaway black holes lighting the void. To galaxies colliding in beautiful violence. To giants born in the first breath of creation. The cosmos is not what we thought it was. It is faster, stranger, and more mysterious. The James Webb Space Telescope is showing us not just stars, but stories. The true shape of reality, still unfolding. The answers are coming. Carried by photons older than Earth. And we are finally ready to listen. The silence of space is never truly silent. It carries echoes, faint pulses from the deep past, moving at the speed of light. And with the James Webb Space Telescope, we have begun to hear them. But what it's revealing now is stranger than fiction. In the heart of a galaxy 500 million light-years away, it found something unsettling. Not a black hole. Not a star. Something in between. A shadow that flickers. A light that bends in impossible ways. At first, they thought it was a lensing effect, gravity warping light from something beyond. But it moved. Shifted. Reacted. As if aware. It pulsed in intervals, not random, but rhythmic. A signal? A beacon? Or something ancient waking up? The scientists ran simulations. Nothing matched. The object seemed to defy mass. To change shape. It bent the very laws of physics, light slowed around it, time twisted. And it wasn't alone. Webb began seeing them, across different galaxies, across different epochs. Always the same flicker. The same frequency. The same impossible behavior. Some began to call them the Watchers. Others, more cautious, called them anomalies. But a pattern was emerging, mathematical, fractal, recursive. The flicker followed the Fibonacci sequence. The golden ratio appeared in its oscillation. Nature's fingerprint. In something unnatural. What are these things? Are they stars collapsing in ways we do not understand? Are they fragments from a universe before ours? Or are they instruments? Devices? Some dared to whisper the unthinkable, intelligence. Not like ours. Not carbon-based. Not even biological. Something encoded into space-time itself. Webb's instruments, designed to detect light, were now detecting something else. Not heat. Not radiation. But information. Pure, structured information, embedded in the waveforms of ancient starlight. Encrypted across time. Hidden in cosmic background noise. And then, the biggest shock yet. Deep within Pandora's cluster, Abell 2744, a gravitational lens twisted light into a spiral. But within the spiral was a shape. Too precise to be natural. A hexagon. Rotating. Repeating. Reflecting itself endlessly. Like a recursive mirror etched into the fabric of space. Some called it a message. Others, a warning. But all agreed, it was not random. Webb had become